super short video. You ready?
Beep, boop, ba-doop, 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 boop.
I canceled too late and I got another one. If you want any more info than I'm giving you right now, there is a video thing. What?
Take pictures and share.
We have these two books. The Wild Woman's Guide to Traveling the World, because that's what I am, a wild woman. And Single-Minded. What are you about? So this woman, like, has this idyllic, perfect life. You know, 2.5 kids and a dog and shit. And then her marriage falls apart and she's like, panic! Ah, I'm getting old. I need to find me a mate. So she goes scavenging the earth to find one. Still canceled. Every time I keep dropping those books, my poor dog is like terrified. Come here, baby. This dog is scared out of her mind because I have now dropped 2 very large books. I promise next video will be longer. I promise next video will be longer and also involve less terrified dogs.
Hi.
I have taffy hair in my lip gloss now. Delightful. Didn't you just leave?